cascade loop. What we will do in cascade loop? Here will be what is the use of cascade loop. Suppose one tank is there. In this tank some fluid is filled. We have put it one label transmitter here, LT001, and from LT we were taking the data to this is the primary controller. This is the primary controller. From here data will go to the secondary controller. This is the secondary controller. I am writing above. From here this data goes to the here. In primary controller this is the input. This we are getting the process value, and set value we will give by set value we will provide in the primary controller, and MB will go to the secondary controller. And suppose there is one pipe. This is water is coming to the tank through this pipe. Here one FT is there. FT is measuring the flow of fluid in this pipe, and from there this data will come. For secondary controller, set value will be this, process value will be this, and output will generate from secondary controller, and this will go to the control valve here. So this is the control valve. So from level transmitter, this primary controller is getting the how much level is there. If some level is going down, then what will happen? This level indicator, level instrument give the data that level is going down. From according to that, whatever, if we need 50, suppose we need 50%, now it is going to 30%. So this 50% we set from the here set value, and 30% we will get data from the level transmitter. So according to that, MB will generate here. MB, this MB will be set point for this. Set point for this. So and flow, we are getting the flow process, like it is suppose 5 ton is getting. So and we are getting set value from here, we are getting the 5 ton per hour process value here. And if we want to maintain the 50%, we have to increase the flow. So how much we have to increase the flow, that is decided by the secondary controller, and secondary controller give the according to how much we have to increase the flow so that this level should be maintained. That is generated by the secondary controller. This is the all about the cascade loop. For cascade loop, we need one PIO block here and one PID block, and from this PID it is going to the second PID. Here also we need one PIO block. PIO block, this also going to here, and this will generate the output. It will go to the any control valve. So like that we will generate the cascade loop. We will design this cascade loop on the design page. Just click drawing and go to the properties. Put the drawing sheet number 03. Give the command cascade. Here one thing that we can name the above it display in text form like just click here, then click here, then click like that and put here name. Go here, increase the size whatever you want, 136, put 36 like that. Scroll down and start working. We are going to create a cascade loop here, and just see the procedure how I am going to create the cascade. We need 2 PID, that's why I am taking 2 PID here. You can put according to your logic drawing. We have created, I think, FI01 and IOM, so I have to put an FI01. Sorry, please take care that after the doing one you have to go to the circle and move, otherwise this problem will happen. Just click here and delete it. Every time, after every step, completion of every step, we have to go to this arrow mark. Here I have to change the name. Put OK. Then we need one output. Block. Yeah, put in here. FCV01. Now we go further. Now wiring. Be careful during the wiring time. First click, double click, First click, double click, first click, double click. And how we are going to the PID to PID? First I will show what is the error, then I will correct it so that you can understand it. I am saving it first. See, 2 error has come. I have to check. Error number 1, PI 01 error, that connection is not permitted. Okay, and this one, that connection is not permitted. So I will tell what is the correct. First we done the mistake, then now we will check the correct way, how to correct it. I will show you all how to correct it and see how I am going to correct it. See, there will be no double in here. The 2 in is there. This is the mistake. So just click here, and what we have to put? We have to put set here. Okay. Go to the save option. Save it. See, there is now no error 0, warning 0. So when we are connecting to the one cascade loop, so there will be 2 PID. One PID to second PID will be this PID will give the set point to this PID. So take care. This PID is giving you the second set to the this PID set value. So put here set. How to put? I have shown that. You have to click here. First click, it will be this wire will be the green mark, and at a time put the whatever word is there, put on the second click, you will able to correct it. So be patient during doing this. Now I am closing it. Now we have created the cascade loop also.